Tatcha is my #1 skincare line. I love it above all other products in the world, and this is my favorite, all-time favorite. Nothing is better than this cleansing oil. This stuff smells like springtime in heaven. I'm pretty sure this is what heaven smells like. It is absolutely a divine scent. Now, this is a cleansing oil, so you know, you're not supposed to just rub it on, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. And it's an oil, exactly what you would think. This will take off waterproof mascara. I'm not exaggerating. It'll take off caked on makeup. It'll take off eyeliner, waterproof or not. Everything is coming off with this Tatcha. You do one little squirt, rub your hands together, put it on, wet it. It's delightful. But the scent, it's so pleasant. And when I tell you this feels like a spa experience, I do not exaggerate. It is just lovely. I could rub it in right now and just wear it all day. You know how sometimes if you're using a cleansing balm or an oil or even just micellar water and you get it just kind of creeps into your little eyeballs and it hurts. I'm not saying you're crying or that you need to go to the emergency room, but it's uncomfortable. I know you're not going to believe me on this. That does not happen with this. Even when it gets into my eye, there's no burning. I can't even come up with something negative to say about this because I think it's the most perfect cleanser in the world. I love it so much that I can't even use it every day because it's like when you have those good plates and you put them up on the top shelf and you only get them out when a special occasion arises. That's how I feel about this. I don't want to use it every day because what happens if I run out and I haven't repurchased yet? This is either my 3rd or my 4th bottle and it lasts forever. Also, I don't use it every night. So it lasts a really long time when you don't use it every night, but a little bit goes a long way. One tiny little squirt cleans your whole face. So you don't actually need much. #1 best product I've ever used to wash my face. One of my favorite Tatcha products is this indigo body butter. First of all, look at this packaging. I mean, come on, this is beautiful. I love Tatcha's packaging all around. They make everything just feel so indulgent. Even the body butter itself is beautiful. This purple, come on. This is the kind of product you want to leave setting out on your vanity because you want to see it. That's what I love about Tatcha. The products are divine. There's no comparison to Tatcha products, but the packaging also gives you that spa feel. It rubs right in. It's very emollient, yet it's not sticky or greasy in any way. It's already dissolved, but look at how it makes my arm just immediately look refreshed. Oh, and it just feels so nice on. I mean, my arm just feels like it had a drink of water. My arm is drinking this body butter. Look at that. It just revives my skin. Nothing else does this. This is a very light scent. I almost get just a hint of lemon. It's such a clean, fresh scent. But it's not overbearing. It's not floating around the room. It's just on me. And I just get a whiff of it as I go about my day. It also is long lasting. Even if I wash my hands a time or two, it still holds in some of that moisture and some of that softness. My hands just feel refreshed, man. They just feel refreshed. I love Tatcha and I love this body butter. Tatcha has a lip product that I absolutely had to get when this first came out, flew off the shelves, didn't keep it in stock, barely get your hands on it. Now it's so easy to get, you can get it on Amazon. I do recommend you get it. Let's start by talking about the packaging because is this adorable? Look at this. You walk into your bathroom and you see Tatcha on your counter and it just makes you feel happy. That's what these products do. They give that luxurious vibe and feel about them. Let's talk about the formula because I feel like maybe that's as important as the packaging. It's this wonderful jelly-like feel. Not sticky at all, very smooth. It's almost like having nothing on your lips as far as the way it feels. It does not feel greasy. It does not feel sticky. It has no flavor. It has 0 scent. It's just this perfect lip balm that doesn't feel like your dollar store lip balm. It feels like you're doing this amazing lip treatment, but it's just this tiny little bottle of lip jelly. Tatcha is a Japanese beauty product. I find all of their products to be completely unique, and I have not found anything else like this. This is a highly recommended lip product for me. I use this during the day. I use this before I put on my makeup, my lipstick. I use it before date night. I use this in place of a lipstick or lip gloss. This is a better lip gloss, and it just all around makes your lips feel great.